Ang kalamansi. Higaan na ako ng kalamansi. Higaan na. Biglang umasim. Pag tapos na dito mo ilagay sa color box. Yeah. Wash your hands na. Luis, wash your hands. No? Okay. Good morning. Ang dami kong kalamansi. Magpipiga muna. Diba? Oh. Thank you, Mamsi, sa pakalamansi. Dami, oh. Para bago mabulok. Drink water. Drink water. Wiz, did you wash your hands? Ate, yung sahig niyo po, oh. Ang daming mga, kumuha ka ng dustpan at walis. Taas mo yung bag. Yung regalo sa'yo ni, Tita Marge. Marge.
Yes, what is it?
Daddy, tingnan mo naman yung minakbong nila na kalamansi.
No!
Hindi. Ginawa nila yung mga labi nila.
Mga escabeche na yung mga labi nila.
Tingnan mo.
Puting-puti ah.
Oh. Sabi ng isa, ang lasa daw ng kalamansi spicy. Tanong mo, tanongin mo.
Mas na-taste na kalamansi. Busog pa eh. Nagbe-burp eh.
Halo-halo na yung kinain nyo. Ayan na, yung carrots. Apple. Ha? O mamaya, lagay mo na muna yan sa Busog na kayo? Ikaw, Luis. Next time, Sia, di ba, Mami is, squeezing this na, yung kalamansi. Every day you have to get 1 teaspoon and then drink it as OWA. This is it. It's in the left only. It's like a vitamin C. Yeah. I'm gonna show you later. Are you sleeping? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No? No? You look like you want to sleep. Daddy, anong oras sila nagising? Daddy. Babe. Babe.
Are you sleepy?
You. No?
Are you sleepy? No? Because you sleep so long.
How about you?
No?
What time did you sleep yesterday?
Daddy!
Luis, are you sleepy? No. Hala. Tingnan mo. Hala. Daddy, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung mukha. Sabi ko, are you sleepy? Ah. Loko ka.
Puro bebe pina.
Ay, ay, ay. Sabi ni Mami, no, Bebe Pina.
Oo.
Change it. PBB.
Ha?
PBB naman. Si Mami naman, magwa-watch.
Picture pretty lang, di ba?
Oh no, Sia. Practice reading na. Get your ano na.
Who's gonna teach me?
Me.
Why are you doing that?
You can read naman beside me while doing this. And you can also ask Daddy if you want. Oh, tama na yung Bebe Fin. Ate will read na. Luis, change the channel na. Si ano, you change the channel to Abacada or English. Yeah, we can help you. Yeah, 30 minutes. Go. Practice. You choose na lang who do you want to watch. What do you want to watch? What do you want to watch? The reading. Who is the teacher? Teacher Aya? Oh, go. Bye-bye, Bebe Fin. Bye, Bebe Fin. Ate, we're gonna read na Abacada. Ay.
What is
Oh,
that?
no. Oh, no. Yeah. Luis?
Hey.
Hey.
Say sorry to ate.
Say sorry to ate. Say sorry to ate. Hey, Luis, stand up. Say sorry to ate. No more Bebe Fin na talaga, ha?
Hey.
No more Bebe Fin na talaga.
Say sorry to ate.
Say sorry to ate. Hey, you're laughing pa, ha?
Say sorry to ate. Oh, ate is crying, oh.
Ate is crying na, oh.
Say sorry. Say sorry to ate.
Hey, say sorry to ate.
Daddy to get mad at you. Ha? Daddy to get mad at you. Say sorry to ate. What will you say to ate? What will you say? Say sorry.
Yan ang napapala na nagbabebe Fin. Hey,
Say sorry to
somebody
ate.
wag na not going to say
Hug
sorry?
ate, hug.
Hug ate, say sorry.
Say sorry.
Ay, sus! Say sorry to ate.
Ay, nako.
May gusto talagang ditong magalit eh.
Hey. No toys, no toy. No playing. We don't want to say sorry and you're not gonna play, ha?
No more watching Bebe Fin, ha?
Say sorry. Go to ate. No, that one. Do not touch that.
Oh, say sorry to
muna.
ate. Hug ate
Say
muna.
to ate. What will you say? Say what will you say to ate? Say sorry. Say sorry.
Ay,
Say sorry to ate.
sus! Hindi na naman nag-ano.